House hunting? Let's find the perfect mortgage lender to make it happen. So you're on the hunt for a mortgage lender. First, check their interest rates. A lower rate means less money out of your pocket each month. Next, look at their fees. Some lenders charge for things like applications or appraisals. Make sure to ask about these so there are no surprises. Customer service is huge. You want a lender who answers your questions and makes you feel comfortable. Read reviews or ask friends for recommendations, and don't forget the loan options. Different lenders offer different types of loans. Find one that fits your needs, whether it's a fixed rate or an adjustable rate mortgage. Finally, get pre-approved. This shows sellers you're serious and can give you a better idea of your budget. Choosing the right mortgage lender can make buying your home smoother and less stressful. Happy house hunting. Get a pre-approval today. Contact Gwen Harvey, Stockdale Real Estate 7705841143.